My artistic practice, fueled by the beauty of nature and the richness of diverse cultures, has shaped me into who I am today. In my studio, it's like finding peace and resilience, and that's where the magic begins. Teaming up with a local woman artisan from Shamkir brings my paintings to life in woven forms, transforming them into soft and tactile works of art and mixing old school techniques with new tricks. The incredible skills of these women, passed down through generations, have a captivating story all their own. This project embodies more than just art. It celebrates the power of community, collaboration, and the boundless creativity of women. In this carpet, it's not just about what you see. It's about the stories we share.